Kyle here at the Walser Hyundai in Brooklyn Park. We're back here with the brand new redesigned 2024 Kona N-Line. All right, so on the N-Line, you're gonna have the custom N-Line alloy wheel rims with the badging. Up front here, a new feature, you're gonna have these active shutter grills, which are gonna help reduce drag and keep the engine bay warm. From underneath the hood here, we've got a 1.6 4-cylinder turbo engine. So while you're looking at fuel economy, pretty efficient. You're gonna get 29 on the highway and a combined 26 miles per gallon. On the mirrors here, you're gonna have LED lights. Moving to the back, you're going to have a rear lip spoiler, which is going to add style to the vehicle and also help with some aerodynamic drag as well. All right, so on the back here, we're gonna have a lot of space. Both seats do fold forward. Just a nice little click there, giving you plenty of space to put whatever you'd like on the inside. Let's hop into the driver's seat and take a peek up front. All right, so up front here, we do have heated seats. You're going to have dual climate control in this vehicle. You're going to also have two 12.3-inch screens for your clusters, navigation. You do have adaptive cruise control, lane follow assistance on your steering wheel here, and the Bluetooth capability to take calls, text messages on your steering wheel as well. Coming with an auto dimming rearview mirror, you're also going to have two USB-C chargers up front, a wireless charging pad. All right, and up front here in the new redesign, they have put the shifter here on the right side of the steering wheel, giving you a lot of freed up space here to access with a couple fold out cup holders, giving you a lot of accessibility up front here. So specific to the N-Line, we have the Alcantara suede seats with the trimmed leather on the outside. You've got the custom N-Line floor mats with the checkered custom door sills there. Looking at the dash, you've got these nice sharp red lines along with the custom leather wrapped steering wheel with the red stitching and the N-Line badging here as well. This vehicle is going to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto accessibility. It is going to be tethered here right up front. Also having the power sunroof here controlled right in the center. All right, so wrapping up with the brand new 2024 N-Line. It's got a lot of great features on the inside, premium features, safety options. It looks great. Come on over to the Walser Hyundai in Brooklyn Park to come check it out.